Hey, what's up? It's Elizabeth from Allrecipes, and I'm going to show you how to make easy slow cooker white chicken chili. And when I say easy, I really mean it. There are no cans you need to drain, we're using a rotisserie chicken, and we're throwing it all in the slow cooker to do all the work for us. It doesn't get easier than that, and it's perfect for busy weeknights and to freeze and eat later. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with 3 cans of great northern beans, and you don't have to drain these. Next is 2 cans of pinto beans, then 2 cans of corn, and you don't have to drain these either. Now we've got 3 diced onions, and then 2 cans of chicken broth, a whole rotisserie chicken that we've cubed up, 2 cans of green chilies. Then we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of hot pepper sauce, whatever you like, but I'm a Tabasco girl. Then we just have a few spices. We've got 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's mix all of this up. And now we just pop on the lid and let it go for 8 hours on low. This looks and smells so good. We've got all of our beans and chicken and corn all mixed together. Our onions have cooked down and they're nice and tender. Now that we've got this in our bowl, I'm gonna serve it with all my favorite toppings. I've got some cheese, some salsa, sour cream, some green onions, cilantro, and I've got some jalapenos too because I want my white chili to be nice and extra spicy. This came out so delicious, so flavorful. I put enough hot sauce in there that it gives us a little bit of a kick, and you can adjust it however you like. For how little effort that took to put together, it's so delicious and so flavorful. The hot sauce in there gives it a nice kick, and all of the beans and chicken and the onions have just simmered together and gotten super tender and delicious. It's amazing. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments if you have another favorite kind of chili or if you're gonna make this one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.